Hello everyone. In this particular video, I am going to be discuss exercise 9E and in which question number 1, which is saying that a rectangular park is 40 meter long and 16 meter wide. So we have to draw a rectangle ABCD in which length of the rectangle is 40 meter and breadth of the rectangle is 16 meter. After that, a path width 2.5 meter is constructed on the outside of the park. Find the area of the path. So, rectangle ABCD, it is drawn. After that, 2.5 meter width a path which is around the rectangle ABCD. So we have to draw another rectangle PQRS and its width is 2.5 meter. Here 2.5 meter, here also 2.5 meter and here also 2.5 meter. So we have to get a new rectangle which has vertices P, Q, R and S. So in the figure we have to calculate the area of the path which is shaded region. Area of shaded region or area of the path. So we have to calculate first length of the new rectangle PQRS. So here this is 40 meter and here width is 2.5 meter and here also width is 2.5 meter. So length of the rectangle PQRS is 40 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So we get 40 plus 2.5 and 2.55 and 40 and 5 45 meter, which is the length of the rectangle PQRS and breadth of the rectangle PQRS. So breadth of the smaller rectangle is 16 meter. So in which we add width of the path which is 2.5 meter above the rectangle ABCD and 2.5 meter below the rectangle ABCD. So 16 plus 2.5 this and 2.5 this. This is the width of the path. So 16 plus 2.5 plus 2.5. So 16 plus 2.5 2.5 5. So sum of 16 and 5 which is 21 meter. So length of the rectangle PQRS is 45 meter and breadth of the rectangle is PQRS is 21 meter. So we have to calculate the area of the path or area of the shaded region, which is equal to area of rectangle PQRS. It means area of larger rectangle minus area of smaller rectangle, which is rectangle ABCD. So here we write area of rectangle PQRS minus area of rectangle ABCD, and we know that area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length of larger rectangle, it means length of rectangle PQRS is 45 meter and its breadth is 21 meter. So product of 45 and 21 tell the area of the rectangle PQRS. So product of 45 and 21 minus area of rectangle ABCD, and we know that length of rectangle ABCD is 40 meter and breadth of rectangle ABCD is 16 meter. So length into breadth is the area of the rectangle ABCD. So 40 into 60. It tells area of the rectangle ABCD. So product of 45 and 21 is 945 and product of 40 and 16 which is 640, 640. And finally the difference between the 945 and 645 is 305 meter square, which is the area of the path and area of the shaded region which is surrounded by the rectangle ABCD, which is surrounded from the rectangle ABCD. So it is the required answer of question number 1.